Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to back up phone contacts on Google account. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your Gmail. Once you have logged in into your Gmail account, make sure you have logged in into your desired account in which you want to add your phone contacts to. So head over to that account and then go to manage your Google account and scroll to the right and then go to people and sharing. There, if you scroll down, you will see an option of contact info from your devices. Head over there. And it's currently turned off. You just need to turn it off. Once you turn it off, your contacts will be saved in your Google account in which you might have signed in on your devices. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.